Okay, guys, Carter and Carter here with the testing video of this massive XL 152 guys are yes. So this is the testing video of it, guys. Our bench test, yes, guys. So a 2 ohms, guys. Yes, this is a 2 ohms. No, not 2 ohms. Let me check again, guys. I think it's a dual 2 ohms. So I'm doing it at. Oh no, let me check the ohms. I'm gonna have to make an adjustment, guys. Yes, not a 2 ohm. Gonna put it at 2 ohm, so it's gotta be. Come back here, black to black. Oh yeah, I have it right all along, guys. Hold on. It was at 2 ohms, guys. So let me give it some test here. All right, so it's at 2 ohms, guys. Don't know why I'm messing up this thing, guys. So yeah. All right, you guys can see it flexing right there. So that's. Woo. Guys, 40 hertz. Whew. You have dust coming out of the dust. The cold. Holy crap. Hold on. 35 hertz. Right there, guys. Gonna put a little volume to it. Alright. Take it down a little. So I get it at 30 hertz somewhere here. Come on. Alright. At 30 hertz, guys. Oh yeah. 30 hertz right there, guys. It's flexing the really slow. Woo-wee. Get that tip with that chair. Right. Whew. Man. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Wow. Look at that. This is flexing so hard. Put it at 27 hours now. Holy crap. 27 hours, guys. Look at that thing. Oh, yeah, let's take it over later. The amplifier doesn't like that for sure, but alright. It's 31 hertz. Put it up a little. Oh, yeah. 31 hertz, guys. This massive Hippo XL 152R at 31 hertz. Man, this thing is. Oh, no, come on. Yeah, take it out a little. Boom. Because I'm that close, guys, my ears is getting. Oh, it's good. Man. Ooh. See if I can touch the voice coil if it's eating or anything. Yeah, it's good. Never did that before. I even tried that. Look at that, guys. At 31 hertz. 31 hours, guys. Some more volume to it. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow. So nothing flapping, nothing. Everything is smooth, guys. As you can hear, nothing like spider flapping or anything. Dust cap. This thing is smooth, really smooth. Everything is good. Everything is good. Yes, guys. Just playing around with it a little. But yes, guys, we are good with this massive, guys. It's really, yeah. Everything is up and running with it, and yep. This spider is, I don't remember if I told you guys if it's a 3 layer or 2 layer spider. I think this is a 2 or 3. I don't remember. It's good. As you guys can see what I did here. I didn't want to put the color shrink to this, but it's not a big deal, so that's it, guys. Everything's up and running. So, ooh-wee. So let me stop it now, guys. 3100. Stop. Ooh. Oh, yeah, that thing almost. This get me dizzy, guys. Believe me. All right. That thing is good for now, guys. Ooh, come on, don't touch right. Yep. It's up and running, guys, as you can see. So please like, subscribe, guys, if you like what to see. And I realize a lot of people they like to see these videos, which I didn't know before. If I had known before, guys, I would post a lot of video with subwoofer repair and stuff like that, which I on my other phone that I got damaged. Yes, I have a lot of those videos that I didn't even post because the person pick up the speaker before I get to really test it. That's it. The video is not completed if I didn't show a test video of it, which I did wrong. My wife said I should have posted, which she was right. I was like, man. So guys, don't. I will post video, even if the stuff doesn't get tested and stuff. I'll finish. I'll post the video of what I did to it to get it to what to a certain part or certain section or whatever and stuff like that. So please like, subscribe, guys, if you like what you see. And Carton Carter, guys, out for now. This massive XL 152R, guys, up and running. Carbon fiber dust cap. Alright, guys, enough respect. Please like, subscribe. Really appreciate you guys.